Okay, here's another Coastal Breeze Plus. This one's in my parents' bedroom here at the beach house. This one's probably the best out of all of them. Best meaning fastest. Ironically, the one over there, which you can kind of see, is the slowest because that one has been kind of abused. We'll talk about that later when I do the all-in-one video of all these fans. Here's medium, which is I think what my parents usually run it on. Ouch. Yeah, this thing flies like a scalded bat out of hell.